Forever could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't.
Preparation, nag-start ako sa March. Contact ko si Joe Mark, dancer, event, si Willard.
Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted.
So, okay na ning pwesto, hindi ako din bayad.
Finalize na lang sa dakon din
Staying every day. Marry me.
Percent yung mapa yes is, so to say, 95% should be yes. Kilala ko na siya ever since. That's why nga, so, kampante naman kung mapauho ko siya. Actually, subong sa SM siya. Upod niya ang isang duwa niya ka-friend.
Together could never be close enough for me. Feel like I am.
So, siya, ang duwa niya ka-friend, ang maging kontrata ko nga, okay, pakadto mo de, is naka-prepare ng table sa inyo, tantanan is all set, ma-produce na kita sa event.
And you're beautiful.
Excited, nervous, na hopefully mag-successful ang event ganun. Para sa Team Mopay. Once in a lifetime event and dedicated to you.
Staying every day. Forever could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we don't get to see. But there's one thing left to do. it the look in your eyes? Or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Been 6 years, 7 months, 18 days, kag 19 hours to be exact, counting. Oh, I know that we started as a lover. Gusto ko to make it to the next level. I know that you're dreaming of this, but isa lang umangkot kasi mo tumumbay. Will you marry me? Abal. Aboy. Okay. Ang utang ko nga pula sa balon. Wala sa kasabat. Yes, no. Thank you.
Super happy gid ko kay okay gid ang outcome sang plan in successful ko kasi dali happy gid ko kay Jen kay ako sa pagkakilala ko kay MJ even though wala man kami enough time din na sila nga mag-ano pero maski through cellphone lang kag sa effort niya especially sa effort niya na ginpakita subong grabe gid asli.
I think I can spend the rest of my life with her, and I can almost sacrifice everything. The last emotion. Bye. Ginhimo man ni sa imo ang party with the fact nga okay, first thing is I love you so much and hopefully it will work out kita man tani hasta sa uli. Dapat salamat kag I love you so much. Siyempre